Oh, that's right. Look at the monitor, ladies. Taking in, drinking in. I know I'm bringing it right now. That's right. This body was chiseled in the fires of perfection. That's right. Look away if you have to. Fast and pray. Ask God for strength. It's going to be hard to focus when I'm bringing this to the table. I got it going on. Look at me. Come on, man. Hashtag the struggle is real. I know, ladies. It's on right now. That's a Christian twerk, little Christian twerk. That's what that is. That's not a sin right there. That's a sin right there. That's a church-sanctioned twerk right there. That is James Dobson gave his check of approval on that twerk. That's right. You mess with the bull, you get the horns, ladies. That's what you get. I know it's a joke, ladies. I know it was a joke. I don't think I'm all that. I'm very mediocre looking. I know you're disappointed. I am just as disappointed as you are. Mediocre. I have what you call creaky door looks. Somebody says, "You think Tim's handsome?" I'll take that as a maybe. Yeah, man, I try to take care of myself. I try to go to health food stores. I went to one of your grocery stores here. We don't have where I'm from, up in Arlington. Went to Whole Foods. Yeah, you get some pretty good deals there. I mean, usually you gotta go to the airport to get a deal like that. I mean, that's good deals. I got a bunch of stuff. I got some cold pressed juice. I got some lip balm, and I got some emu eggs. $400. It's a lot. It took my whole hand to hold the bag. Whole Foods is pretentious. I got some organic lip balm. I looked on the back and said, "This product was not tested on animals." Y'all need a punchline for that one? Thank the Lord for that. Because I don't live in a world where somewhere there's a lab monkey with moist lips. I don't live in that world. I want my monkeys dry and cracked with canker sores all over their face. I went to the Whole Foods in Portland, Oregon. Oregon is not Texas. It's a lot different. Flew into Oregon, drove into Portland. First line I saw, it said, "Keep Portland weird." Mission accomplished. I went to the Whole Foods in Portland. It's like hippie central, man. I saw a fight at the Whole Foods in Portland. It wasn't a food fight, it was a Whole Foods fight. It was like this employee was getting into it with a customer. The customer asked her where the chickenless nuggets were. And she said, "You shouldn't be eating those because it's totally destroying the cage-free Guatemalan cage-free chicken industry." And she's like, "Cage-free chickens, what does that even mean? You gotta have them in a cage at some point. I mean, the chicken's just walking in the restaurant." I thought it was funny. I was laughing, but she didn't think it was funny at all. They took some vegan mayonnaise, threw it at her mister, shattered the glass over the olive bar, and it was on. It was just a flurry of Birkenstocks and yoga mats. It was just one had the other one by the hand-woven scarf, the other one had the other one by the dreadlocks. It was on like Donkey Kong. And someone yelled out, "This isn't sustainable!" But it was totally sustainable. They kept going. And finally, a security guard comes over, tries to break them up, couldn't do it, so he had to grab the pepper spray. It was Himalayan black pepper spray. Fresh cracked. I don't want to spray as a paste. He had to dip his finger in and flick it out. It was more humane. I don't know. I try to eat good. I got people that tell me how to eat well. My brother's a marathon runner. He's always telling me how to eat. He's like, "Hey, Tim, hey." That's why I like him. His mouth is turning into a beak. He's got some lip balm. It's like, "Tim, man, your problem is I know you're plateauing in your workouts. You're not eating clean. It's what you're eating. You're not eating clean." Okay. Should I eat my donuts in the shower? No, organic, man. Back to the Bible. Get organic, biblically based food. No, I don't want to eat biblically based food. I love the Bible, not the food that's coming out of the Bible. We've moved on in that area. My wife got this biblically based bread recently at the store. I never heard it. It's called Ezekiel bread. You seen it? Ezekiel bread. It's like eating an air conditioning filter with peanut butter on top. janitor sand down a tabletop with it. Yeah, what would Jesus do? He wouldn't eat Ezekiel bread, I'll tell you that much. Wasn't feeding the 5,000 with that. Or maybe he did. Explains why they had 12 basketfuls left. Oh, where's the basket? Oh, that bread sucketh. Another fish to take this Ezekiel breath away from you. Sucketh, that was in the Message Bible version, by the way. I don't know, Dallas Fort Worth, you guys got these maniac people working out now, working out way too much, these CrossFitters. Oh, you know who you are, like cockroaches just working out everywhere. So you're walking down the street, picking up tractor tires, doing squat thrusts in the Chipotle line. So chill out. You don't need to be that strong, CrossFitter. You're an accountant, not a superhero. Chill out. Say no to CrossFit, say yes to Bisquick. Have a pancake. Chill. Oh, no, I can't do the pancakes. No. Can't do the pancakes. He's bald. He's still doing it. You can't eat pancakes? No, man. I'm eating paleo. I'm eating paleo. That's a paleo diet. What's paleo? It's the caveman diet. I'm eating what the cavemen ate. Really? Dude, you don't know what the cavemen ate. If you went back in time, gave a caveman a candy bar, he'd eat it. Okay? He would be like, no, this has too much dairy, sugar, too many carbohydrate, I can't eat that. He'd eat the candy bar, then the wrapper, then he'd eat you. That's what he's doing. Crazy person. He'd have you on spit. Just, oh, he's gonna be good. He tasted like Chick-fil-A. I guess that's an Italian caveman. I don't know where that. He's a good cave, yeah. Come into the cave. It's a good cave. It's the worst caveman impression I've ever heard.